Welcome to the procedure for e-voting on NSDL platform. You'll get a mail from NSDL AIOS Election a day before. Don't open this. It will be active from 6 p.m. on 23rd February. The instruction on how to vote is there in the body of the mail. We have asked NSDL to send daily reminders. Please ignore these mails if you have already voted. In this mail, you will also receive a 16-digit user ID. Please take a note and use it as your user ID in the process. For convenience, this user ID can be copied and pasted. Click on the link to open the voting page. In the home page, you have to locate the shareholder member creditor option, which is on the left-hand side of the screen. This will direct you to the appropriate login page with your voting process. Enter the 16-digit user ID from the body of your mail. Click on the OTP button only. Input the verification code from the image. In this case, it is 387537. Click on the checkbox to agree on the terms and condition. Click on Login to get your OTP number. Your same OTP will come on your registered mobile number and your email. The OTP would be valid for 15 minutes. Please enter the OTP in the box below. If there is any problem, you can generate a new OTP after 2 minutes by clicking on the Generate New OTP button. Click on Submit once you have acted. This would open your voting page. Click on the highlighted blue numbers in the even column to open each voting ballot. Once the ballot is open, you can choose your preferred candidate. Click on Submit, which is the middle button. This will take you to the confirm page. Review your chosen candidate carefully to confirm your preference. Click on Confirm to submit your vote or back to make changes. Once confirmed, your vote cannot be altered. Once your vote is casted, the system will show successful. Review the confirmation and click on OK to complete the process. Each voting for a post is one event, and on successful completion, you'll be redirected to the home page to choose the next post. The completed vote will show in green. Click on the next number in the even column to continue voting for the next post. In Member Scientific Committee, you can vote for 14 candidates. If you only vote for 4, it will show you have voted partially. If you could not complete the vote in one session, you can come back and vote later following the same procedure. These are some important points that you need to consider, and it is better that you vote on desktop rather than your mobile phone. Thank you for your part.